Hi everyone, welcome back to Arm Candy. So we've got another gorgeous mulberry for you today, and this is the Mulberry Bayswater backpack, and it's in this really nice kind of grey mushroomy colour. I think this is one of my favourite colours for a bag. I think it's just a perfect winter neutral. It's a very nice earthy colour, but yeah, I really like it. So we've got double top handles, and then on the back we've got those two backpack straps, and you can see they're adjustable on the bottom on each side there, and then it's also adjustable at the top as well. And then we've got a flap closure, and it's got the iconic Mulberry postman's lock on there as well. So I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside, got a nice suede lining on that flap, and then inside we've got the Mulberry fabric lining there as well. And we've got two pockets, so we've got one flat pocket there, and then we've also got one zipped flat pocket there as well. So for the condition of this bag, we have called it good all around, and I will show you why. So there's just a few signs of wear. So on this top handle here, you can see there, that grey colour has just worn away a little bit on those handles. But these corners are still in really nice condition. Just show you all over there. You can see they still look really nice. But there's just a small tiny mark on this side as well. Very small little sign of wear. But other than that, that leather is still in really good condition. Interior, I'll show you again. You can see this suede lining, there's just a few marks from where it's been kind of bent over there. But other than that, there is no kind of particular stains or marks or rips or tears, anything for me to show you. It's still really nice in there. It's just a case that you can tell that it's been pre-loved and used before, but it's still in a perfectly good condition. Similar thing with the hardware. Just show you that postman's lock again. I'll get that closed. So you can see that it's there just on that little twist bit there. It's just starting to discolour a bit from that kind of gold toned hardware. But other than that, it is still in really nice condition. See these buckles all still work really nicely. And they've still got that nice gold colour. There's just a few little signs of wear, but it is in really nice condition. It's a very beautiful bag. If you love this bag as much as we do, don't forget that you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what this comes with. So we've just got, let's pop that there, we've just got the Mulberry dust bag with this one. If you'd like to know the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you directly to this bag on our website. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. We know you guys love Mulberry and it goes so quickly. So if it has sold, don't forget you can get on our request list. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag and we'll get you on our request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So we'll buy those two backpack straps there. I'll pop it on so that you can have a look. And that is where it sits on me. So those buckles at the bottom, we've got on kind of one of the shortest settings at the minute. So with the shorter straps, that's what it looks like on me. Or these straps are actually, you can see, all completely removable. So if you wanted to take the backpack straps off altogether, you can have it just by those top handles. Sorry, just by those top handles, and have it kind of as a tote as well, which is really nice. So you can kind of have it either way. It's nice and versatile. So for more details on the bag, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter so you can get your welcome discount code. And also have a look at our How to Sell With Us page. So if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know will be on there. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more arm candy.